first of all, I have an Instagram account at MOR1019Bea, so be sure to follow me there. Second, meron akong Facebook page, guys. Oh my god, hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko pinopromote. Pero meron akong Facebook page. All you have to do is just type DJ Bea sa Google. And then, fan page siya. Kung ano may pinakamaraming likes, yun yung legit. Yung photo ko doon is naka-gray hair ako with bonnet on top. Bonnet on top. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! By the way guys, I'm so sorry kung ito itsura ko. Wala akong foundation. I just have moisturizer. Pero natrapang kong mag-contour and blush and highlight and all that. Para naman mukha akong medyo presentable. Excited ako eh. Ayoko na mag-full blast makeup eh. So, for today's video, obviously from the title, eto na yung lip swatch ko na Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Ito yung PR package nila. Ang nakakatawa nito guys, na-receive ko to on the day na in-upload ko yung wear test ko. So, I have all the 10 shades. Hindi ko na masyadong i-highlight yung PR package, but you know what? It's so pretty. Nasira ko siya. What's new? Lagi naman ako nakakasira ng packaging. So pretty. So really kudos sa PR team ng Maybelline Philippines. So I have here 10 shades. Pero you know what guys? Sa States, ang dami pang shades na ganito eh. So hindi ko alam kung kailan darating dito sa Pilipinas yung other shades. Nagmamadali ako magsalita. Why? Okay guys, last disclaimer. May nagaganap na party sa kapitbahay namin. So yung video kanila was like, alam niyo naman tayo mga Pinoy, video kaya is live. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the swatches. So, the first shade that I have on is in the shade Loyalist. And alam niyo ba kung ano nakakatawa dito sa Superstay Matte Ink? Lahat ng mga names niya are positive adjectives. Loyalist, Dreamer, Lover, Pioneer. Mamaya isa-isahin natin. But right now, I am wearing the shade Loyalist. And this is like the lightest nude shade. Obviously. Personally, I don't think it suits me. Pero if you have a light and pale skin tone, I think this would definitely look good on you. Pero feeling ko naman, I can make this work kung naka-full pack foundation lang ako. Di sana, alam mo yun, pumantay ng medyo slight yung lip color sa face ko. It's nude, pero parang meron siyang peachy undertone. So, Maybelline claims that you can achieve 16 hours of matte intense finish or wear, and I think possible naman siguro siya mag-last ng 16 hours kung wala kang gagawin kahit ano, you're not gonna eat or whatsoever. And then it has a Maybelline patented elastic ink technology. Elastic ink, feeling ko nga meron siyang a little bit of elasticity kasi pag ina-apply mo siya, medyo tacky siya. Pero you know what? Don't worry kasi kapag ka nag-dry na siya, kapag ka, alam mo yun, nag-set na talaga siya sa lips mo, mawawala naman na yung tackiness. I mean, may matitira, pero very, very slight lang. So, what I'm wearing right now is in the shade Dreamer. And it is actually a blue tone pink or cool tone pink. Masasabi kong cool tone siya kasi hindi siya bagay sa akin. I mean, again, I think this could possibly work kung naka-full pack foundation ako at hindi kita yung real skin ko. Pero kung ikaw ay light to pale skin tone, bagay na bagay sa ito. Actually, kahit yung mga deeper or medium skin tone, you can use this. Pero papatungan mo siya ng something else. And maganda to guys kung full placado makeup and then you have a vampy, dark, sultry eyes or something like that. By the way guys, kung magsusuot ka nito, actually kung magsusuot ka ng kahit anong liquid lipstick, make sure na meron kang micellar water, and currently right now ang favorite ko is from L'Oreal Paris, micellar water 3-in-1. I really love this one. Super duper effective in taking off any kind of makeup, waterproof or something like that, effective. And you can also have, you know, handy dandy makeup wipes or makeup remover wipes. Finally, a color na feeling ko naman bagay sa akin. Oh, by the way guys, yung applicator niya, ganito ang itsura. And I really love that part kasi nakakatulong siya para talagang maline mo ng maayos yung outer corners ng lips mo. And you guys, one of the tricks that I love to do sa liquid lipstick is overline mga 0.01 millimeters because it's gonna make my lips look bigger and plumpier, malakali Jenner. Oh, I'm wearing the shade Lover. It's a very pretty pink color. perfect for everyday wear. Oh guys, this is gonna dry into a super duper matte. Hindi nyo lang siya makikita ngayon kasi nga matagal siyang mag-set. And I can't wait, 15 minutes para mapakita siya sa inyo. But if you're gonna watch my wear test video, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here or down below. Go watch that for you to know kung anong performance nito and kung bet nyo yung performance niya. Kung bagay ba siya sa lifestyle niya. Ganun! Dear Lord, Maybelline. This is probably one of the most beautiful red lip color that one of the most beautiful red color I've ever tried. I don't know if the camera is giving justice to the color, but in person, Jesus Christ, it is so beautiful. Hands down, one of my favorites. Definitely. So, I'm wearing the shade Pioneer. Diba nasabi ko na medyo tacky siya? So, asahan nyo na kapag in-apply nyo to, pwedeng magdikit yung dalawang lips nyo. Hindi naman siya talaga magdidikit. Pero makakaramdam ka ng tackiness. So, I suggest na paglagay mo sa kanya, let it hang. Ganyan ka lang. Pause ka lang ng ganyan. Hayaan mo siyang matuyo. Okay. Yan kung nababother ka lang sa tackiness niya. This color I'm wearing right now is in the shade Heroine. Not the drugs, but the female hero. Medyo shiny pa siya kasi hindi pa siya nagsiset, but I swear to God, these are matte colors. As you can see, it's a very, very bright orangey color. It's not something I'm gonna wear in the office or on a daily basis, pero probably if I'm gonna go out or if I have a funky party to attend to. Kapag ka deep skin tone ka, hindi ko sure kung babagay sa ito, pero bagay sa ito if you're light to pale skin tone. Pero pwede naman siguro if you're deep skin tone, pag nag-match siya, maganda naman na magiging itsura niya. Just make sure na maganda at bongga yung the rest of your face. You have flawless foundation and really nice eye makeup. I like it, but personally, it's not my favorite. Color na medyo patchy kapag ka nilagay mo. So, you really have to be very patient. Lalo na kung bet mo tong color na to at bet mo siya talagang bilhin. Patience is a virtue. Oh my god, guys. So, I'm wearing the shade Romantic. Yes, this is the shade Romantic. And it is a legit Barbie pink. Like, seriously, Barbie pink. And honestly, it is so pretty in person. Medyo bright lang siya. Pero feeling ko naman wearable siya. For everyday wear, I think masusuot ko naman to sa office. I mean, if you're that type of person, a happy, perky, and with a very, very bright, bubbly personality, go forth and wear this lip color. Pero I think it's perfect for nighttime or if you're gonna go to a party. So, the next color... So the next color I'm wearing is in the shade Creator. Guys, I love this color. It's purple and it's super bold, but I love it. I really like it. And I think okay lang itong isuot on a daytime. Kung alam mo yun, super plain lang the rest of your face. Probably merong very light, very sharp eyeliner or 10 kilong mascara or falsies. Ito, and then you're good.
Feel ko lang mas mapapabilis yung pagtuyo niya.
So guys, this is in a shade Believer and it is a very, very bold, deep purple color. So vampy, so sexy. This is definitely perfect for nighttime or pwede ring daytime. Basta wag ka lang magsusuot ng, other makeup. You can wear this na walang foundation or pwedeng may foundation and just a little bit, twinkle twinkle little star on the eyes. One more thing that I noticed, you guys, buildable yung colors niya. You can wear it ng lighter than this, pero you can wear the full capacity nito. Just go layer it slowly but surely, and ganun yung ginawa ko dito 2 layers to. the shade I'm wearing right now is called Escapist. And sa camera, mukha siyang black. But honestly, hindi. Mukha na siyang super deep maroon plum burgundy-ish color. Ito parang one layer pa lang to. Pwede ka maglagay ng isa pang layer and then it's gonna look black. Not super duper like legit black, pero papasa na siyang black. Let me layer one more. Do I like it? I definitely do, but it's not something I'm gonna wear, of course, for every day. It's something I'm gonna wear if I'm gonna go out at night, if I'm gonna go to a fab party, or Halloween. Be sure to watch my wear test kasi dun yung makikita ano itsura ng isang color kapag ka super match siya. And the last color I'm wearing right now is in the shade Voyager. And you guys, ito yung suot ko sa wear test. And honestly, it's one of my favorites sa lahat ng na-swatch kong colors. It's a red color, pero meron siyang brown, bricky undertone. I love it. I really love it. It's good for everyday wear. It's good for the office. And it's even better for nighttime. Alam mo yun? I just love it. So those are the 10 colors. Wait, magpapalit ako kasi ito nasuot ko ito sa wear test eh. Okay, so I'm wearing the shade Pioneer. So guys, bago ko sabihin yung mechanics for the giveaway for this video, recap muna tayo. I have a Simply G shampoo and conditioner bottles of shampoo and conditioner giveaway. Andun siya sa 10K subbies video. I have a Maybelline Loaded Bolts giveaway. And this is my third one, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink giveaway. You guys, may babaguhin lang ako ng very slight sa schedule natin. Yung Simply G shampoo and conditioner, sabi ko after 1 week mag-a-announce na ako ng winner. I have decided na lahat ng giveaway ko for January, i-a-announce ko on the first week of February. Kasi ang dami ko pang planong giveaway. Ayoko magka-jumble-jumble siya. Alam mo yun? So what I'm planning to do is create a separate video or probably a exclusive post sa Instagram announcing all the winners of all my giveaways. So iba't ibang winners yun. So I hope you understand. Ayoko lang magkagulo-gulo. Ako kasi may tendency ako magkagulo-gulo. So just to make everything clean and proper and well-managed, well-maintained, I'm gonna announce all the winners of my January giveaways first week of February. Thank you very much. So, for today's giveaway, may isa pa akong problema guys. Nung pinadala kasi ito ng Maybelline, nako-order na ako ng ilang colors sa Lazada. So, dun sa wear test ko, meron akong Escapist and Voyager. And then, umorder din ako ng Pioneer. This one, this color right here. So, yung pinadala nila, hindi ko na ginalaw. So, you guys, ang magiging price nyo ay Pioneer, Escapist, and Voyager. So, tatlo to. So, all I have to do is pick that up. All you have to do is pick 2 more colors para yun ang magiging price mo. So, I'm so sorry guys. Sayang naman yung mga hindi ko nagagamit, diba? Papamigay ko na lang. So, the mechanics are pretty much the same. I'm gonna post a photo for this video sa Instagram. Comment down below na nag-join ka. And then sa comment section ng video na to, comment down your Instagram name and the 2 more colors that you wanna add dito sa 3 colors na to na magiging price mo. And of course, given na siguro na you have to subscribe to my channel. So pag di ko nabunod ko, ito-double check ko kung nakafollow ka sa Instagram at nakasubscribe ka sa YouTube channel ko. So that's it for today's video. Good luck on my 3rd giveaway and watch out for my next giveaway in the next few days. Buong January to this. Thank you so much for watching guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye! So meron nag-comment sa Instagram ko kung pwede bang gumawa ng ombre using these. So try natin. Oh! Teka, gamitin natin ng Escapist. This is darker. Oh my god. You can, guys. Pero alam mo yun, syempre, gawin mo muna yung outer, saka yung inner. As much as possible, huwag mong pagpatungin. Lagyan mo na kahit konting separator. In fairness.